The big question, how do they taste? These are apple cider vinegar gummies, centimeter review from VCCVAA. So let's go over the ingredients and how they taste, because isn't that important? They are soft and squishy, a nice size, cute little gummy bears. They smell good. There's no crystallized sugar all over them like some gummies have. We'll go over the label here. It's 2 gummies per serving, 30 servings per container, so you get a whole month's worth in here. Let's go, bottoms up. Tastes like apple juice gummy. These are amazing. Oh my gosh, guys, delicious. In 1 serving, 2 gummies, you have 8 calories, 6 carbs, 5 grams of fiber, 53 milligrams of vitamin C, 10 milligrams of sodium, 333 milligrams of psyllium husk, 133 milligrams of inulin as chicory root fiber, 133 milligrams of chia seed, 67 milligrams of apple cider vinegar, 5% acetic acid, and 3 billion CFU of Bacillus coagulans. So it says non-GMO and gluten-free. 60 capsules in here. Remember, the serving size is 2 per day, 1 or 2 per day. It's up to you. And manufactured in Colorado, USA. If you're like me and you tried the liquid apple cider vinegar and just could not handle it, this is what you gotta try. It's got a whole bunch of other great stuff in there too, like psyllium husk and chia seeds, so it's great for fiber. Oh my goodness, guys, this is delicious.